English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1. Achievement, normally, prevent. Achievement. Achievement is a noun. B1 learners usually know achievement. An achievement is something very good and difficult that a person has succeeded in doing. Here are some examples. To get a first-class degree is quite an achievement. It is a remarkable achievement for a person in their 80s. Winning the competition gave him a real sense of achievement. Normally. Normally is an adverb. B1 learners usually know normally. At B1, normally means usually. Here are some examples. It normally takes 3 years to complete the training. The weather conditions are not normally as bad as this. The problem normally corrects itself as the child grows older. Prevent. Prevent is a verb. B1 learners usually know prevent. To prevent means to stop someone from doing something or to stop something from happening. Here are some examples. We use this method to prevent problems. If I can prevent this situation from happening again, I will. Because of her behaviour, they prevented her from entering the building. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with achievement, normally and prevent. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the CEFR B1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.